Hey Peter, 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 hey Peter.
Big black ass bitch on the mission. A motherfucker can't be stopped when I'm rolling with the cops. Got my niggas on the block and shit. Got my nigga Felipe riding shotgun and shit. He ain't fucking around, he ain't bullshitting. Got the Glock up on his motherfucking lap and shit. About to bust on these niggas cause they talking shit. I don't know. I've been the gangster. I've been letting these bitch made faggot ass trolls have it. Little hoe ass niggas wanna run up on me and shit. Niggas wanna say that they gon' come and break up in my shit. I got a 45 nigga up on my lap and shit. Ready to blast some little bitch ass niggas back. I don't know. I'm a big ass bitch with big ass tits up in your motherfucking mouth. Had your ass motherfucking leaking and shit like your whole ass got the gout. I know your ass nigga don't want none of this. I'ma creep up on your bitch ass nigga with the 4/5. Nigga, I'ma carve your goddamn tongue out. Wipe my ass with it. Nigga, you use your motherfucking tongue and some shit paper, bitch. Had your ass leaking, nigga. Like, I don't know, I'm saying dumb shit. Big bitch. Like a motherfucker. Nigga on a mission and shit. Straight pimping on these little buster ass niggas and shit. Let these whole ass motherfucking trolls feel it and shit. Little mark ass niggas wanna talk that shit. I'ma lay them niggas down like it ain't nothing to it. The big black ass motherfucking boss ass nigga on a mission and shit. It's terrible. The Seahawks suck dick, my nigga. Oh fuck. I just farted like a bitch.